Cold email can make you a lot of money, but only if you follow these steps. My name is Saad and I've made well over $40,000 this month purely from cold email and automation. In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 simple steps on how to use AI to write emails that actually make money. If that's something you'd be interested in, stay tuned. So if you spend any amount of time online, you're gonna quickly realize how everyone is talking about AI is taking over the world, AI is taking all the jobs, sales and marketing pros must pay attention. But in reality, most of these talking points fail to explain how to actually use AI to make money, to actually add 5 to 10% to your bottom line or shave 5 to 10% from your margins. And this is the point of this video. We're going to cover 3 ways to use AI to actually make your cold emails effective, human, personal, and actually book you meetings with decision makers that actually have the pain and also the budget that your service or products can solve. We're going to talk about what AI is not able to do well yet, and I'm also going to give you real examples of prompts that I've used to book hundreds of meetings for my clients, and we're also going to build a simple Makecom system that's going to enable us to do all the personalization at scale without the need for additional software that are extremely pricey. So let's talk about what AI is not good at the moment. So currently AI is not good at listening to you explain your offer, then go generate you millions of dollars. It's not effective at running an entire cold outreach campaign from idea to research, writing, sending the emails, optimizing, managing unsubscribes, measuring performance, improvement. All of these aspects, it has to be a human in the loop to make sure you have the best results. So the first step is going to be pick a specific dream customer. Actually sit down and think of yourself in a coffee shop or at a bar and think of a conversation you would have with that ideal customer. What would you say? How would you leverage social proof? What would be your pitch? It has to be handwritten. This is a forcing function to basically feed this templated email to GPT-4 or Claude to actually output the exact result each time. The second step would be break down the dream email. Identify the static parts, such as your name, company name, versus the parts that should be customized for each person. Don't just constrain yourself to boring variables such as full name or company name. Instead, think of the common pain points that your customers might experience. Think about the jobs to be done of your product or their product, summary of their LinkedIn posts, also the website scrape data. Sometimes companies would list recent growth milestones, fundraising, partnerships, or case studies that they worked with company X or Y. All of these data can be used when doing personalization at scale. So this is the exact prompt that I used to book 10 to 15 meetings a week for myself and for my clients. Create a personalized toolline message using the provide data points to craft a relevant conversation starter. In the industry, you're going to have to change to your target industry. The first line should demonstrate understanding of their specific situation by referencing their industry, which is highly customized. Company news, role duration, or recent achievement, using congrats instead of congratulations. As you can see, guys, we're using a simple language, a simple tone. We're not trying to be AI at all. The second line should pose a question about their challenges in terms of pain points. If you watched the last video, I talked about in your personalization, always make sure to add value or ask a question. You shouldn't appear salesy at all when sending an email. Think about it as talking to a friend or a colleague. Connecting them. So the second line should pose a question about their challenges in terms of pain points. Connecting them with ideal clients that have the pain and budget that their service solves. Begin with hey instead of hi, followed by a line break. The message should be direct. Use direct tactical empathy. If you read the book Never Split the Difference, you're going to understand what tactical empathy means. And a friendly tone, no other text or sign-offs. Alright, so now that we have all the information, let's go to Make.com. So I went to Make.com and I went to all scenarios and I clicked on create new scenario. So now that we have all this playground, we can build a streamlined, very simple 5-minute system that's gonna help us do all this personalization at scale. So I have here a lead-less scrape, just an example. First name, last name, clean company name, LinkedIn scrape summary, title description, industry, duration in role, duration in company, and also the email. So we're gonna add another column here. Let's call it personalization. Just have to change the color. Personalization. Oh, I don't know why this changed. Okay, my bad. So personalization, and then what we have to do is we're gonna go back to Make, and all right, so we're gonna go back to Make, and then we're gonna look for the module search rows in Google Sheets. So once we have that, we're gonna update our connection, obviously. So let's see if this is gonna work. All right. So instead of just mapping the Google Sheet, the spreadsheet ID using the map function, let's just copy the spreadsheet ID, which is going to be here. It's /D and before edit all the time, guys. Copy this and then go to spreadsheet ID, click on map, and just map it, kind of like hard coding it. The sheet name is going to be always sheet 1. So this is sheet 1. So go back and Make and just type in sheet 1. And for the limits, I'm just going to put 1 just to make sure this works. Click OK. And then we're just going to click run once. So we have all the information. 0, 1, 2, 3, founder room, blah, 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 all of this. Okay. So what we want to do, right, is we want to take all this information and dump it to GPT-4 to actually build us the prompt. So let's go to we're just going to click on the plus button, and I'm thinking we should use Claude. Let's use Claude instead of GPT-4. Go create prompt. So what I did is I went to this plus button and I looked for Claude and I clicked on create prompt, right? So I already have the connection set up. So max token, let's just do 4090, and then click on add message, click role, click user, and then let's just paste in our prompt. All right, first let's do. So we're gonna talk to the model using JSON, obviously. We're gonna do brackets, first name, and then it's gonna be first name, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do company name, and it's going to be company name, 1, 2, 3, 4. Title, and it's going to be title, 1, 2, 3, 4. Title description. What else? So we're gonna do industry. It's going to be industry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Duration in role. It's going to be duration in role. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna use duration in company, and then what else? Email. Oh yeah, we need the scrape data. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Websites scrape data, and then we're gonna map the data from the text. Click OK. And then let's actually try this. So click OK, and then I think everything is fine. So let's click OK. We're making a request. We're making a request to the website. We're parsing the HTML, and then we have the prompt here. So hey Matthew, congrats on revolutionizing patient-centric healthcare at Room Health and pioneering innovative telehealth solution over the past 4 years. Are you looking to expand your corporate partnerships with behavioral health centers by connected with more addiction treatment facilities that need comprehensive medical support services? So as you could see, this is extremely personalized. I don't even understand like 90% of the entire things that are mentioned here, but what we're doing is we're essentially just retrieving all their pain points, what could be their ideal customer, and we're like, hey, we're already like 1 foot out of in the door, and we're like, we understand your keywords, we understand your industry, and we understand who are the people you're trying to target, so let us help you. And the last thing we need to add is we need to update our sheet here with the prompt. So we can just, click on this file here and click on download comma separated value, and you can upload it to your cold email software such as Smart Lead or Instantly. So click on this plus button, look for Google Sheet and click on update row. Drag this module here, and then again, make sure to update your connection, and then click on spreadsheet ID, and now you have to actually map it. So let's see, I think this is in, let's just copy this and let's just look for it. Lead list scraped. Yeah, this is the one. So sheet name is going to be sheet 1. Row number is always going to be this row number here. And then you just map the information now. So personalization that we added earlier is going to be text response, and click OK. And then what you have to do now is, let's just try this on a multiple records. So let's try it on the entire Google Sheet. So click so just remove the limit, and this is loading. Okay, click OK, and then let's just click run. So we're gonna see all the personalization getting added here. So everything is getting added. All right, so that's it. So I hope you guys found value in this video to just go ahead and replicate the same process to make money in your business. As always, the blueprint is going to be in the description. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, and cheers.